your place right now. Okay.
I'm still determined not to come home, but all right. Both of you get out of here quickly.
Please do not leave me.
Congratulations on our successful partnership. May our two corporations grow even stronger.
Yena, you must be perfect. You are Amigo's successor.
I'm the best here. You don't have to worry.
It's not about winning, but about not losing.
I'll try, Grandpa. Don't worry. Wow, the school is so beautiful. I'll try my best to study hard. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Here's your book. Be careful next time. Thank you so much. He's really cute. Is she the new girl? Hello, friend. Let's get acquainted over a cup of OP. Oh, my books! Why did you do that? Please do not do this. We punish her, Yena? Yes. Yeah! Please don't. Here is your ball, Rin. Thank you so much, Mia. Why would Rin like someone like him? She'll regret it, Rin. I'll tell my grandfather to buy your house and kick you out onto the street to see how you live. I asked the chef to make these for you. Try them. Oh, thank you. They smell amazing.
I want to ask you out this afternoon to see the sea, Mia.
I'm free this afternoon. Can you pick me up?
Welcome, Mr. Roy and Rin, to my home today for this intimate party.
Rin and Yena will get married eventually. We're all family. There's no need to be so formal. The business of the two corporations will grow even more.
I can't marry Yena. I don't have feelings for Yena. Rin is actually dating the poor girl in my class. Perhaps I shouldn't be here for this meal, but I'll excuse myself.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ben. I'll leave now to talk to Rin. I'll see you and Yena another time. Do you know how you've ruined today's meal? Do you think you have the right to decide whether or not to marry Yena?
I've always listened to my parents' advice since I was little, but this time, I'll make my own decision.
If you don't marry Yena, I'll take it all back. Go live with that poor girl.
I'm leaving right now. I'm not coming back to this house. You're all wet, Rin. Why did you come here at this hour? He kicked me out of the house because I didn't agree to the engagement with Yena. Can I stay here? We clean the house now. We're doing a great job. This movie is very good. How? We will find work today. I will do my best. La ba 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 ba. He dances so well. If he entered the competition, he would definitely win.
Rin, if you don't come home with me, you'll regret it. I bought this house.
I'm still determined not to come home, but all right, both of you get out of here quickly.
Try your best. We'll get a part-time job at the cafe to earn some money. It's so hot now, and I'm hungry. I can't take it anymore. I'm going to die. Please do not leave me. I'm so lonely. Why did Rin treat me like that? Please forgive me. I know I made a mistake. I'm so sorry. My grandfather is dead, and the company is bankrupt. My family is bankrupt now, and your uncle sent you here to freeload off my family. Hello, customer. What would you like to order? I'm gonna register for the competition. I'm going to win.